You played it?
Never even heard of it.
Well done.
Fun.
Oh, here, just put them on a small plate.
Layla, you opening your present? What do you got there, Layla? And out of nowhere, who should appear?
Here's one for Lola.
Enough. What the?
So cheap.
Wow.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's open it and find out. We're gonna find out. Maggie went crazy.
Hi, Layla. Hi, Layla.
What too much?
Hi, Layla.
Oh, are we going to Disney? No. Wow. Wow, look at that. It's Mickey. It's game.
Mickey!
What is it?
Mickey!
Mickey, wow.
Mickey!
Yeah. Open the Mickey. Okay.